What's good, YouTube? It's Rover with the Charger. Today we about to install a new grill with some new fog lights on my car. Last time we did the headlights, LED headlights. They look so fire right now. I ain't gonna lie to you, I love how they looking. But this time we're gonna do the fog lights. We're gonna put the black grill on here. And you know, y'all just make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like the videos, drop a comment, share the videos. But subscribe, man. It's Rover with the Charger. Stay tuned. So this right here is the new grill. New grill. Y'all see we got the chrome and black grill right now. That's what it started as. And this is what we gonna end with. So y'all see it when it's done. It's gonna be a whole different car, I promise y'all. That's what we gonna end at, and this is what we started at. So that's the start. And we're gonna have the fog lights in. Yes, sir. Now it's time for the fog lights. We got the black grill in. Fog lights going next. Out in Cali for some weeks and now I'm back home. Only take like 30-something minutes. Fog lights in with the grill. Crazy. It's starting to get real digital. I'm not with an artist. Pull up on you, get it poppin' regardless. I don't care who the biggest, the tallest, biggest niggas, they be dropping the hardest.
I ain't ass shit, now my checks come in advance. Young black nigga really turned into the man. Stick on his Glock, I guess it came with a stand. Put a stick on his Glock, I guess it came with a stand. Now my checks come in advance. Young black nigga really turned into the man. Stick on his Glock, I guess it came with a stand. Put a stick on his Glock, I guess it came with a stand.
Shout out to Ron,
young black nigga, I ain't never had a chance. Always improvising, I ain't never had a plan. Big clock on me, make it hard for me to dance.
That shit look so crazy, bro. Yeah.
Always improvising, I ain't never had a plan. Big clock on me, make it hard for me to dance.
We have it. A few hours later. New grill, new fog lights, new headlights. Whole front end changed out. Shout out to Ron. Run the town so we don't have no run-ins. You won't catch me in the club if I can't get my gun in. Fucking up the kitchen in my mouth.